if you don't have a vision, you are going to be stuck in what you know. And the only thing that you know is what you have already seen. Hello everyone, I'm sure after reading the title of the video, many questions may get raised in your head. And of course, you wanted to get answers of all. But before proceeding, I wanted to tell you one thing very clearly, that we are not going to talk about the controversial issues here. Today, we talk about some business facts and business growth of both TikTok and YouTube, and by the end of this video, you will get to know about the hidden points about them and their strategies. But before that, attention please, if you wanted to watch the video in Hindi language, then you have two options. Search tegunity.com on YouTube and watch the video, and second, link of the related video is given in the description box of this video, from where you can watch it by the following link. So now, without wasting much time, let's move towards our main agenda. We all know what YouTube is about and how it works. YouTube was created by 3 former PayPal employees as a video sharing website where users could upload, share and view the content. And they activated on February 14, 2005. YouTube was founded by Chad Hurley, Steve Chen and Javed Karim. YouTube's initial headquarters was in San Mateo, California. On October 9, 2006, it was announced that the company would be purchased by Google for US dollars 1.65 billion in stocks, which was completed on November 13. And TikTok was launched on September 2016, but its growth wasn't that fast because at that time Musical.ly is in the competition to that. And on November 9, 2017, the Wall Street Journal reported that Musical.ly Incorporated has been sold by ByteDance Technology Corporation for as much as $1 billion US dollars. On August 2, 2018, ByteDance consolidated the user accounts of Musical.ly and TikTok, merging the two apps into one and keeping the title TikTok. When YouTube was launched, the YouTube targeted major cities because at that time it wasn't possible for all to access the internet. So YouTube spread its feeds in selected big cities, so people gradually started to know about it. But today, time has changed a lot. When TikTok was launched, everyone had a smartphone in their hands and everyone was doing it with 3G and 4G. Now, because to put videos on YouTube, you need to have proper setup and require some skill sets. But on TikTok, your problem gets solved and easily. People got such a platform where they can showcase their talents with more fun. For making videos on TikTok, you only have to install the application and record the short videos and you can upload the same. By the way, it is a good opportunity for those people who do not have enough resources to get a big setup. And this is the biggest reason for TikTok's success in the last 3 years. They have monthly active user base of 800 million users, whereas YouTube has 2,000 million in 14 years. We just can't compare them because both the platforms are delivering different features to their users. The very first difference is the time duration. YouTube doesn't bind their users when it comes to upload any video, whereas TikTok allows to upload videos for only 60 seconds. Second biggest difference is ad-free videos. You can see TikTok videos without any ads. As in 1-minute video, you cannot add any advertisements. But YouTube has the advertisement features. Other than this, YouTube offers different categories to their users like food, vlogging, tutorial, education, entertainment, etc. And TikTok has only 2 categories. That is entertainment and second is education, which is named #EduTalk. TikTok content were created and shared using the #EduTalk, which has gained over 42.5 billion views, been shared 1.8 billion times on the platform. TikTok said it is taking learning online to offline with the #EduTalk mentorship program, and that through this initiative, the company is collaborating with social enterprises like Josh Talks and the Nudge Foundation to launch a mentorship program. The company said that program is aimed at supporting first-time internet users to gain knowledge by giving them access to educational content created by TikTok creators and educational organizations. Now let's talk about the business revenues. In 2019, TikTok's revenue was near about 1,000 crores. and YouTube's revenue in 2019 was 1,08,000 crores. So there is really a big difference. And one more thing is clearly displayed is that TikTok's user base is growing very faster, but the revenue is quite low compared to the YouTube. The reason for YouTube's higher business revenue is its advertisements. As we all know that the time duration of videos on YouTube is very high, due to which the service of YouTube's ads do it well. Google has all the world's data because everyone accesses Gmail and the YouTube is linked to the same account. If seen technically, Google is using its data very well on YouTube. And at the same time, due to TikTok's short videos and limited data, they can't run much ads. If seen with another aspect, then TikTok's competitors are Facebook and Instagram, because the users who visited Facebook and Instagram are now spending their time on TikTok in search of short videos while swiping up for entertaining themselves. And I'm sure that you will be surprised to know that on Facebook and Instagram, unknowingly people spend about 50 to 60 minutes a day and even more. And these people are now turning towards TikTok slowly. And when it comes to the daily time spent on TikTok, users spend on an average 52 minutes per day on the app. Now I will tell you one more important thing, that YouTube is working on multiple brands like YouTube TV, YouTube Music, YouTube Kids, and now it recently started its premium services also. And sooner it will introduce YouTube Shorts in competition to short video apps like TikTok, Hello, Likee, etc. So one thing clearly gets from this that YouTube is now launching its app in competition to TikTok. Means before that both of them had no competition in between. Let me tell you one more fact. Do you know, when you surf on Facebook, Instagram or TikTok, you spend a lot of time there without even knowing. And why this happens to you? Because scrolling and swiping up makes you feel happy. Yes, exactly. A study has proven that. According to researchers, dopamine is a hormone that is related to your brain. It also known as the feel-good hormone. Dopamine is a hormone and neurotransmitter that is an important part of your brain's reward system. Dopamine is associated with pleasurable sensation, along with learning, memory, and motor system function and more. So this is it for now. This was a small analysis by us, and in the end we just wanted to say that the platform is not that bad. So instead of watching entertaining acts on the platform, you must switch to educational one. On the other hand, we have YouTube, which is really an amazing platform for the creators and for those people who wanted to surf more and create something more amazing. So if you like this video and the information, then hit the like button and do share this with everyone. So with this, smash the subscribe button and tap to the bell icon to not miss the very next upload. So this is Divya from Tegunity Academy. Stay updated, stay tuned. See you soon. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Jai Hind.